So in the US alone, the average content creator makes $57,000 on average per year. If you're looking to make some side money, maybe you want to turn this into a full-time job, I would highly recommend creating a YouTube channel. That way you can start making money just like this. What's going on, guys? It's Nate here, and in this video, I'm going to share the 8 most profitable YouTube categories. That way you can get some ideas on what kind of YouTube channel you want to start. Before I break down the 8 most profitable YouTube categories, I have to break down RPM. RPM means revenue per mil, or for every 1,000 views you get paid a certain amount in your YouTube analytics. So I'll show you a couple of screenshots, but basically for every 1,000 views you get, you're gonna get paid a certain amount from ads. Number 8, cooking. The average CPM or RPM is $2.50. So for every 1,000 views, people who have cooking channels, people who love to talk about cooking, are making on average $2.50 per 1,000 views. That's not including affiliate links. This is not including sponsorship deals, right? This is strictly just 1,000 views, you get $2.50. A lot of the times YouTubers aren't making a sole income just from AdSense. They're making money in other departments like affiliate marketing, info products, maybe they have their own planner, maybe they have their own recipe books, things like that. So this is just a breakdown of how you can actually make money online when it comes to the cooking category. So number 7, the average CPM for fashion is $3.13. And fashion is huge, especially fast fashion, right? We have things like Fashion Nova, ASOS, and other fast fashion brands. You know, we got Zara and everything, but there's a lot of good-looking people that are into fashion. And if you're into fashion and you like trying on clothes and showing off new things, I would recommend it because A, fashion will never go away, but B, fast fashion is in. People like to, buy trendy things. And so there's a lot of brands out there that are willing to sponsor you in exchange for a review. So there goes fashion for you. If you're into fashion, go ahead and start your fashion YouTube channel. Number 6, lifestyle. Maybe you don't have a crazy passion, but you're passionate about just sharing your lifestyle. DIY in your apartment, you want to show people your new office, or maybe you want to show people that you built a really cool garage, or maybe you have a new pool set, right? Or a ping pong table. Whatever it is, you're sharing your life, the day in the life, right? And people want to see that. If you're into lifestyle, go ahead and start that lifestyle vlog and get started right now. I don't know how many times I'm going to say get started, but just get started. So number 5, tech, cars, and gadgets. So if you like talking about cars, gadgets, and tech, the average CPM is $4.32. So, if you're into that kind of stuff, I would recommend it. You're starting to get a little bit higher on the CPM. So you don't need a ton of people that are subscribing to your channel because your CPM is starting to outweigh the lower CPMs like fashion or the lower ones, right? A cool thing about tech, cars, and gadgets is a lot of YouTubers like to do the reviews. So your target audience is like someone that wants to review a new phone against the new iPhone, right? Maybe they're getting ready to make a purchase and they don't know what to do. So they're gonna do things like Android versus iPhone 14 Max Pro, right? And now they have more of an educated decision because they can see the features, they can see the specs, they can compare the camera. People wanna see that. And a lot of the times that's what I'm doing before I buy a new gadget. So, if you're into that and you like reviewing tech, gadgets, and cars, highly recommended. It's very lucrative. And guess what? When you start getting sponsors, you can get those gadgets for free. Number 4, educational content. So we're starting to go up in the CPM. The average CPM for the educational content category is $9.89, right? So these are a little bit more niche specific educational channels, right? Where, you're teaching somebody how to use a specific CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, or maybe you're teaching someone how to use Excel because they're in accounting. These are some more of the boring videos, but you're trying to get a skill set done and you're trying to learn a specific skill. So if you do have a skill and it's specialized, I would definitely recommend starting an educational content channel, because not only you're gonna be able to find people right away, right? Because it's easy to search for how to use Excel, right? But your CPMs are gonna be much higher. Number 3 is personal finance and investments. This is a part of my channel, so I do talk about investments, I do talk about stocks, I talk about ETFs and personal finance apps that I actually use. So the CPM is much higher. The CPM is around $12. Things like Robinhood apps, Webull, maybe Rocket, right? Rocket Money, which is a personal finance app. It breaks down all of my savings. It shows me my budget. It even has a saving account. So yeah, personal finance and investments, definitely a great category to talk about, because who doesn't want to make money? Who doesn't want to learn how to save better? Who doesn't want to learn how to get better with their finances? There's a ton of people out there that are specializing in this category because they know what they're talking about. If you're really passionate about talking about personal finance, if you're passionate about day trading, if you're passionate about saving money, then I would recommend for you to start a personal finance channel. Number 2 is digital marketing. The average CPM is $12.52. And the reason why this is a high paying CPM is because anything that touches the internet, there has to be marketing behind it. I've been in the marketing and advertising industry for over 10 years, and this is the main reason why I decided to start my YouTube channel. It's because I know what I'm talking about. I've helped numerous e-commerce businesses scale to make over $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. I've helped dental practices that have 5 locations scale their businesses using YouTube ads, using Google ads, using Facebook ads, using Instagram ads, helping them retarget, helping them with funnels, right? So if this is a category that you're really into and you basically have the specialized skill sets to teach people how to do digital marketing, this is huge, because not only the content creator economy is growing, but everyone needs to know how to market their businesses online better, right? People are more comfortable making transactions online these days, right? Amazon, you can go to gymshark.com and buy your favorite shorts, right? People are very comfortable spending money online, right? Brick and mortar is still there. More and more people are more comfortable transacting online. And this is why digital marketing is so important. And then number 1, making money online. There's a ton of people that are making money online, and this is why it's number 1. Because if you are somewhat ambitious, you're going to want to learn how to make passive income. You're gonna want to learn how to day trade. You're gonna want to learn how to do a subscription-based business online, right? You wanna learn how to do affiliate marketing, right? And so the people that actually have these skill sets, they're giving back to their audience and they're teaching people how to do that certain stuff. And this is why I'm here. I'm here to not only teach you how to grow your YouTube channel, but I'm gonna teach you how to market, monetize, and then eventually get into investments. Because once you have that money coming in predictably, now you can actually put that money aside and invest into the markets safely and securely. So number 1 is making money online. There's a ton of ways to make money online. In my sole opinion, I would recommend for you to start building your audience first. Instagram, TikTok, those are really, really good platforms to go viral. You can get a lot of people that are following you, but they don't necessarily know exactly what you do. They just discovered you from one 10-second clip. But YouTube is more long form content. If someone wants to learn how to day trade, that person is going to type in how to day trade, right? And whoever shows up, that person is gonna opt in and learn a specialized skill, right? That person is highly motivated. So you have a direct connection to a person that is searching for your stuff. And this is why YouTube is so important, because the people who subscribe to you on your YouTube channel are completely different from people following you on Instagram. There could be a lot of people following you on Instagram, but for what reason? Are they following you because they have a crush on you? Are they following you because you have cool pictures? Maybe they followed you because you go to the same gym and they discovered you on an Explore page. But do they have intent? Are they highly motivated to learn something from you? Probably not, right? So the followers on Instagram versus subscribers on YouTube is completely different. If I have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, it's because they want to come back and learn from me. They want to keep coming back to see my content. TikTok and Instagram is just a way to get discovered, and it's a cool way to just waste time, honestly, right? I'm not saying TikTok and Instagram isn't a way to monetize, but if you want to grow a core audience, YouTube is it. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you like this video. It's Nate signing out, and stay tuned for the next video. Whew.
That's easy. That's easy. Let's go. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
ASOS, cut the check, boy. ASOS, cut the check, man.
This guy was hiding in the corner the whole time while I was shooting.
B-roll.
Shout out my personal trainer.
Shout out to Nate. He's gonna give you keys for not just financial freedom, but just, man, he's gonna tap in. Yeah. He did it.
Yeah.